Hello everyone, come join us today. Today I have my wife with me joining me in this cooking session. Actually, I'm joining her. We will be preparing her steamed pompano fish.
So we've got the pompano fish, some aromatics, and the special soy sauce that you pour over the fish once it's steamed. We'll show you all how to plate one and then put it in a steamer, and then right after we'll show you the finished product as well. So first step is that he's going to have to clean not clean, these are cleaned, but just to take away, it's an extra step, to take away some of the fishiness taste of the fish. I learned that if you rub a little bit of vinegar on it, that should help, especially because this is a steamed fish. I just want to make sure that there's no fishy aftertaste on it. So it does make a difference, so that's why we're taking this extra step for it.
So that was a distilled white vinegar that we rubbed on the fish.
Yep. Do the inside too.
So after, I'm trying to keep one of my hands clean so I don't contaminate everything here.
Yeah. So I usually cook this, but then today he said that we should do it together. So that's why it's my recipe, but then he's gonna be doing the cooking.
No, I'm her sous chef today. She will be instructing me on how to do it.
There you go. Alrighty. So generous amount of salt. And inside too, don't forget. Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
And I add a little bit of just the
this stuff too?
seasoning powder. Yeah, just a little bit.
Some chicken seasoning powder.
Yeah.
Right? Just for flavor.
Just for flavor on the skin. Like I said, this is a steamed fish, so
should I do the inside too?
yeah, please. Alright, so after that we'll put some, I would put a little bit of the aromatics too, so a little bit of the green stuff, so keep your hands clean, I guess.
Inside?
Yeah, inside. And some ginger. And a little bit of garlic. There you go. So aside from, so when we cook this, we'll prep this plate, right? So when you do that, is like you put a bed of the aromatics too. So bottom and then as well as the top.
Okay. You did the
belly.
Want me to do the... Yeah, you did the belly.
Okay.
My wife has put a bedding of scallions and ginger. And did you put any garlic in here?
It was wet. I was gonna let you do that.
Okay. So how much garlic am I putting?
You spread it.
Okay.
Yeah. Alright. I crushed the garlic, so you can just like chop it too, but I like to use the grater, so that's why it's a little, it doesn't look like it's garlic, but it's garlic. Alright, so do put the fish now.
So go ahead, put the fish on top?
Yeah. And then do the same. Yeah, I'll do this. Because now I have to put some on top. I like a lot of garlic. I mean, ginger, sorry. Ginger. And then the white part is actually better part. Cause
as you're doing that, let me wash my hands so I can help you with the steamer.
Then a little bit of the cilantro on top. I'm not putting as much because in the end we're going to put fresh herbs again, and then I'll top it with, I guess, hot oil, right? And then the sauce as well. So this is ready for steaming, but we need to cover it. So if you can just grab me a piece of foil
okay,
to cover it, please. And then we would steam this for about 15 minutes. Our steamer is already ready. As you can see, it's already hot. Hot, be careful.
Okay. Just keep rolling, I got it.
Good.
Yeah, we're good.
Alright.
So this is on for how long?
15 minutes, so it's on 20 right now, so let me adjust that to 15. Let me do 17 because it's quite a big fish. So I think that's sealed. There you go. Oh, because I usually, this is meant for like 2 layers, but this time we're only doing 1 layer.
Can you not do 2 layers with the steamer?
I found that with 2 fish, when you're steaming it with this steamer, it doesn't work very well. So it takes longer. Yeah, it takes longer. There you go. No, it's perfect. Okay. So let's just wait 15 minutes and then we'll be back.
All right. So how did I do as your sous chef?
You're hired.
Okay. Our fish is almost done here. We actually had to increase our time by a few minutes because it's a bigger fish.
Yeah, we had to. add more time to it. We checked it and it just needed a few more minutes, but should be done by now. So in the pot or on the stove, we're heating up the oil. Should be ready too, because I see, yeah, I think it's ready. So let's just take this out now. Help me.
So let me take this off. Take that off. Just put it on the side. So when you guys are doing this by yourself, just be careful, okay? This hot steam will burn you.
Alright.
So I'll take this steamed fish. I'll put it right on top of our chopping board.
I actually had this, but he didn't use it, so.
Yeah, sorry, I'm not used to all these gadgets.
Yeah, I actually have a picker, so he didn't use it. But anyhow,
I'm old school. Okay, should I take this off?
Yeah. So now, it's cooked. I don't know. Can you? Actually, I can use this now. So just to show you what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. All right. You wanna?
Yeah, actually, here. Let's bring the camera closer.
Yeah, right there. Yep. Just a little bit closer, right there. So it's cooked. So now we're gonna put the fresh.
Fresh herbs.
Yes, fresh aromatics, herbs. So just put it on top, right? There you go, right there. And then I'll just put some more fresh ginger, a bit more garlic on there, the cilantro. All right, one more. Kids like a lot of cilantro on there.
While you're pouring it?
I used to pour it, but sure, I'll use your spoon. Okay, this is gonna sizzle.
Ooh la la. So this is olive oil we use. If you want to use regular oil, you can do that too.
This is really for the aromatics. Yeah.
For those of you guys that haven't tried this fish, this is a must-try kind of steamed fish. This fish is so delicious.
And we've got the sauce too, so we're pouring the sauce too.
Babe, what did you put in that sauce?
Okay, hold on, let me just... Alright. Put that down. Alright, so in this sauce right here, this big pot, I made a big batch because the kids like to add it to their rice too. But it's actually a cup of water, a cup of soy sauce, maybe a tablespoon of sugar, and sesame oil. And then I warmed it. Not boiled, but warmed. As soon as it got warm, I put it in this cup so that I can pour it over the fish too. But yeah, I made a big batch of it because the kids like to pour it over their rice as well. So yeah, I think that's it actually. Now it's ready to be served. It's a steamed fish and it's quick and easy, but very tasty and healthy.
Yes, and we are going for our first bite. I'm actually pretty excited. Every time she makes this fish, I eat so much. Actually, even our kids, they're picky eaters and they love this fish.
Yep.
So go ahead, babe. What goes along with the fresh off the steamer steamed fish?
Yeah, rice right
Some
there.
white rice.
Okay, alrighty. Do you have another? Okay, I'll just use this.
Yeah, just use this. It's okay. Just
Alright, so you want to? Oh, actually, you want to put
which one?
up close and personal.
Yeah. Here.
There you go.
Up close and personal.
With the, so it's very cooked. So you can see right there. So we'll get a little bit of that, and then
And you want all that goodness.
that juice from
on
the
the bottom.
fish, and then the sauce too. Just pour it on top. Yeah.
Delicious as always.
It is.
So good.
The taste that you expect from it, the pompano, because it's a soft fish. Like I said, I don't, that extra step, I don't know, it's just for me, maybe it's all just in the mind too. But I think it really does help with that vinegar wash that you do in the, from the start. You don't taste any of that fish, but the meat of the pompano is just really so good.
Yeah, you can actually taste everything. The garlic, the ginger, the scallions, and the special. What did you put in that sauce again?
Soy sauce, dark soy sauce, and I actually put a little bit of the liquid seasoning. So it's a cup of water. So equal parts water, equal parts soy sauce, a tablespoon of sugar.
So good.
Warmed it, and then in the end, a dash of sesame oil, and then that's it. I think this is the combination of the ginger, the soy sauce, and the scallion. It's just so perfect.
That was actually that was a distraction. I was trying to get her to talk so I can eat.
And the cilantro. I forgot the cilantro. Yeah.
So good.
It is good. It's awesome. I love it. I mean, the kids usually they eat after school, but they really are waiting for this because they love this fish. But yeah, hope you guys try it. Let us know. We'll put the complete recipe in the comments so that you all can try it for yourself. What do you think of it?
For those of you guys that watch our videos all the time, thank you all so much. We'll see you guys on the next one, okay? You guys have a good one now. Take care.
Bye. Okay, bye.